This clip actually we will discuss about how Angular application bootstrapped and how Angular application rendered. What is the mechanism behind this? Actually, Angular application, we have already discussed that Angular application is modularized. It has a one module and one root module and more than one feature modules. In my sample application, this in my application is app module ts is the root module, and the any module is defined by a ng module decorator. Within this module, the it has a declarations array. Actually, within the declaration array, actually we declared uh, the component pipe and directives that belongs to this module. And we see there is another array, that is imports array. Actually, we will put the name of the module. The we can say this is the outside module, the other module that has a exported class, and actually we will use the feature within this module of this module in our current module. And we see the exports. Actually exports, uh, if I want to export something that belongs to this module, if I want to export a component which is belong to this module, uh, we will mention here. And the last one is providers. The actual providers, we will put the service name, those are to be injected. And very last one is the bootstrap. Actually bootstrap, which will indicate the bootstrapping component. uh, in our application it is app component, and the module has a class name, and this class name is app module. Actually it is not necessary to name the root module is app module. You could change whatever you like, but if you change, eh, then you need to put that information on main.ts file. Let's see main.ts here actually application will start. So let's see, this is the bootstrap module. Here declared the root module name. If you declare the module other than the app module, you will put that information in here. And since we declared the bootstrap component name is app component, so app component is the bootstrapping component in our sample app. Here is the app component is HTML, actually very simple. And this is the component class. Actually view and class is bind together. Here the a component, actually a component relate to view, and an Angular application composed of a multiple component, uh, and we can say the multiple view. Here we see the first and component, and an Angular component is also defined by a component decorator, and it has a selector means selector. Actually that means uh, this component name is body kt root. Actually uh, uh, it can use actually we can put this name in a HTML template, and it will behave like an HTML element. And another one is template URL. So here we put the name of the HTML that uh, bind with this component, and its style URL. And the name of the style sheet. Actually, if we write anything within the css file, here we put the css file, uh, this will impact on the HTML element, only on the HTML element of this file. And the component has an exported class we mentioned in the app component. Actually, Angular application has only one file, that is index.html, and here we see the index.html is, and in here we see this is the body kt root. Actually, this is the name of the selector of the app component. Thank you. Thank you. Next video we will see how to create a new component.